As you can see, is a Delcita video. We're gonna have a good laugh tonight, per usual. Cause you know, once you come over this channel, I do straight laughter. We not deal with nothing else but joke and fun and happiness over here. But there's a famous Jamaican saying, "Puss and dog not have the same look." Have you ever asked or wonder why puss and dog not have the same look? If you know the answer, comment it right now in the comment section. And if you don't know the answer, watch the video until the end and I'll share the answer. Now, let's jump in the laughing. But before we jump in the laughing, of course, just like the video and kindly subscribe so you can have laughter every day for dinner, lunch, and breakfast.
Guys must watch.
Hide from it, you know. And it will find me.
James, she cooked some food for you.
Me don't want nothing from him.
Why?
The picnic this come here just where the man. And plus in chat too much, he might did a chat when he make cookie.
James, you know the child cooked the food, you know the least you can do is be grateful and appreciate it, man. She do her best. How you going like little picnic, man? Sure. So what you gonna do now?
Boy.
James, you know hear me say stop coming in the living room, pulling up your zip all the while, man.
And the first time you see me I do it?
No, but it's not me and you alone living here anymore. We have a young miss in the house, so you have to change your ways. What you must do is start pull down the zip like more in the bedroom.
No. Me not take you on, you know. I'm not taking you on today. Mary, me hungry.
But me just tell you that Delcita cook some food. Why you won't eat it?
Me don't want it, man.
So you gonna stay and dead for hungry?
Beg you some lemonade, no? Bust the gas.
How lemonade gonna bust the gas?
Warm me. Soup? Soup?
So what you going to do about the problem?
What problem?
James, the doctor say you might be having a prostate problem. So me I beg you, go check it out, man. You know, so if you solve that problem, you would be solving a lot more problem, including some of mine.
Mary, I say I'm not going to do no examination. Argument done. All right? Argument done.
All right, me tell you before. When push too careless, dog yam him food.
And the second time I hear you with that word there. From where there you drop word. What you mean by that, Mary?
Well, I am an open book. Turn me page them. But take a longer time to read me chapters. You understand?
Mary, me not have to read your chapter then. Can me read that the book the often enough, me know it by heart.
That is because you only stop at page 2.
James say, listen, me no want Delcita cooking. She chat too much. She chat so much. You watch about chat. She might spit in her food while she cooking because she keep on chatting. In the previous video that we watched from James and Mary, James was eating some fruit from Delcita which was fresh and a vegetable that get James to eat. I'm going to put the link in the description. You don't have to go watch it. Mary come in while James eat the fresh dinner. And James asks her, where you coming from? Mary, where you coming from? Mary, where you coming from? Mary say, I come from the doctor. James say, how you go to doctor so often, Mary? Now we see what go on. I know Dr. Mary come from. Mary go get her proper fix. Well, probably a doctor give her a proper fix because James now perform in the bedroom. James have prostate problem. Jaja. And the lady give him the cue. But because he don't know the letter alphabet, Let's continue. We have one little piece more left. We're going over here so now. Delcita go to school and come home late. Delcita a problem, you know, and her mother a problem too.
Where you coming from? Where you coming from?
Look for me, eh? I wish my test me could I come from.
I could have never school. Cause me just go down to your school and the watchman tell me say you gone long time.
Delcita,
Yes, Mama.
how you just tell me say you stop a extra class?
Extra class? It might stop us something extra, but it's certainly not class.
You have something to tell me, Delcita?
No, Mama. Ask Papa, no. No, he might do the talking.
No man. Little girl, this who you're ranking yourself with, eh?
But imagine, you ask me a question, and me answer you. And it look like say I know that the answer that you want, eh? If you want to be me liar, you know go and talk.
Delcita!
You know?
Nothing to say.
But Mama, me not have nothing to say. Mama, how you take that money I do on you?
No, look here, man. Look here, man. Look here, man. That pitney and Tanya one more night. Pack your things.
Oh, you mean me fi pack me things? Just show me not have nothing to say. But you know easy.
Delcita, hush up!
But Mama,
Just hush up, man.
No, man, no, man. And you tell up there you don't say nothing to her about it. This is the last lap. Pack her things by tonight, and don't make the last bus left her. Oh.
James, stop talking them foolishness then, man. You know we can't put out the little child like that.
Child, you she talked to me a while ago. That's not a child. That's a big woman. She go find her own house. Look here. Me don't have one woman in here rule me. Me can't take another one. They'll see that things must be packed.
James, hush up! This is a family I'm running here, not a stall at Coronation Market. Oh,
This you the pit to get the ranking list from.
Delcita,
yes, Mom.
where you really and truly coming from?
And talk me truth.
Well, Mama, at first when me did this a come, me did a come from straight down our school, but then me stop for a little while.
Stop for a while with who?
With one of me friend.
Which friend?
Hey, man friend or a boyfriend?
Mama, make it up in nice.
Delcita!
Hey, this is the last straw. I know my picnic now. I know my picnic.
Hey, being a step parent, you know, man, a trouble, you know, man, a problem, you know, you cannot discipline the child like how you can discipline yours, because I know say for the James Pitney, I want hand back him and get. But you see how the lady attacked to James, because she give James bun, she don't respect James. And James afraid that she took, I hear James I say, oh, one woman in her house already a rule me, can't take two a rule him. James, no woman is supposed to rule your brother. It's supposed to be equal, or you ahead of household, brother. Anyways, James deserve a bun when I get. But Delcita is a bad look again. I wait this in the next video too. Me I put in a link and I have to go watch it, if catch, if keep up with what I go on over here. So Delcita have boyfriend must name half a dog or bone dog or some dog and some bone. I don't remember, but this was a funny play. If you're here right now, still watching, Jesus, respect, man. And per usual, me appreciate everybody watching. Me appreciate you liking. Me appreciate you sharing the video. Just continue to do that for me, please. Hope you have a laughter or you had a laugh. Stay safe. God bless.